Most faceless channels fail, but this exact method took faceless channels to millions of views. People charge $400 for this, and I'm giving it to you for free. Step 1. Verify your channel. This is the most important step when creating a new channel. You need to prove to YouTube that you are a real human, not a bot. How do you do it? It's simple. Go to YouTube Studio, click Settings, then Channel, and you'll find the verification option. You have 3 ways to verify your channel: email, phone number, short video of yourself. The best option is to complete all 3 because YouTube will instantly recognize your channel as legitimate and trustworthy. Step 2. Choose the right niche. The second step is actually a question. What do you want to post? You need to find a good niche that can last a long period of time, like funny clips, viral streamer clips, content that can go viral now and still work months later. Step 3. Most people fail at video editing not because of bad visuals, but because they don't understand these 3 core steps. Step 1, the hook. Step 2, retention. Step 3, the reward. Master these 3 steps, and your edits won't just look good, they'll actually perform. Like the video and subscribe for more.